Anyways, I also want to talk a little bit about Stoicism, and I know I kind of gave a little primer about everything I kind of been learning lately about it, and obviously I am no expert. If you want to listen to some experts on it, I would recommend the Daily Stoic podcast. This guy's name is Ryan Holiday. He does great information about Stoicism, and he always has different people on there. He always has different guests on his show. He's on YouTube, he's on Spotify, wherever you can get a podcast. It's pretty awesome. Anyways, my wife kind of randomly bought me a book he put together called The Daily Stoic, and Ryan Holiday calls his podcast and his YouTube channel The Daily Stoic, but his book, The Daily Stoic, is just every single day it has a different quote from one of the Stoic philosophers, and then his take on the quote and how you can apply that to your life. And it's really a really good book, and I'd highly recommend it. My wife got it for me, so I read the quote every day to her, and we've been getting a lot out of it, and it's kind of brought us closer together too. Now, last time I was here talking to you guys about Stoicism, I was talking about the 4 main virtues of Stoicism. That is wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. So at the beginning of the year, I wrote down all 4 of these. I think that rock was not there when I was coming in. Anyways, at the beginning of the year, I wrote down these 4 virtues, and I wrote down how I was going to apply them to my life. And I've been trying really hard to do that and follow what I wrote in my journal about how I was going to do that. It's because, like I said, my word I'm focusing on this year is Stoicism, and something they talk about Stoicism is you're never going to be the perfect Stoic, but you should always strive to be that Stoic. And so by writing these things down, how I wanted to apply them to my life, it allowed me to think about it every day, and I go back and I look at what I wrote and how I might apply that to my life, probably like once a week. So for temperance, one of the things I thought, I'm going to try to, not be on my phone as much, not drink alcohol as much, and maybe not eat as much. And you know what? It's been kind of hit or miss, but it is a work in progress. But as far as like drinking, I always do dry January anyway, so I didn't drink during January, which was good, but then I drank kind of a lot during like March and February, which probably wasn't good. But then in April, I just decided, you know what, I'm coming home from Alaska, so I'm not going to drink the first week I'm back. So I didn't, and I've been since then really being mellow about drinking, and usually I haven't completely cut it out of my weekday, because I might have like a beer with dinner or a couple beers at the end of the day. Not that I'm a big drinker, but it's not healthy for you. It made me tired, and I wasn't even like drinking enough to get a buzz. So what was I really getting out of it? It's not like it. I like the taste of beer, but there's a lot of other things that taste better and are healthy for you. So I think I've had like 2 beers since I got home this time. But yeah, that's just how I'm applying temperance to my life. But also, I've been bricking my phone a lot more. Not all the time, but I added a whole bunch of different apps on it, so I wouldn't be like tempted to hop on LinkedIn or something because I wanted to get on Instagram. So anyways, I added all the social media I have on there. The other thing I didn't add was YouTube, because I like to listen to podcasts. I don't think that's really harmful. And I've been really cutting down on the sweets I've been eating, but that's also hit or miss. Because I like sweets. I don't want to cut that out, to be honest, but I know I need to. So anyways, that is how I am applying temperance to my life. And you know what? The next time I talk to you, I'll talk about the other virtues I've been working on and how I'm applying them to my life. But for now, that's just temperance. And I'll give you a little update on my temperance too. Anyways, talk to you guys later. Thanks for coming along for this talk and joining me on my Stoic journey. Have a good day, and I hope to see you soon. Yeah, go Talon.